today's video, I'll be talking about affiliate marketing for beginners in South Africa, explaining in basic language what it is and whether it can work in South Africa. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, Paula Walker here, bringing you the best tools and tips to grow an online business. And in this channel, I do product reviews as well as teaching women how to grow an online business. Now, if you're new here, consider subscribing so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And any links mentioned in this video, you'll find them in the description below. Make sure you stay to the end where I will share my best affiliate program. Okay, so what is affiliate marketing? Very simply, it's when you are paid a commission for promoting and selling other businesses, brands, products online. So basically, all you do is you sign up as an affiliate for a program, for example, Amazon Associates. Then you get a custom link which you can share with your friends or family through social media. And then once they click your link and make a purchase, you make money. So, affiliate marketing, in my opinion, is the best and easiest way to make money online, especially if you're new to making money online. So all you have to do is Google the brand name or company name and type in affiliate program. Sometimes it's called ambassador program or associates program. And then once you get onto that website, you scroll down to the bottom of the page and you will find affiliate program. So you just click on that affiliate link and then you get registered. And that's really, really nice because there are all different kinds of affiliate programs that you can join. And I'll suggest that you find something that you're interested in and aligned with. You get physical products, you get digital products, supplements, some music, network marketing products, software products, and the list goes on and on. So now, what are the advantages to affiliate marketing? Well, firstly, most of them are free to join. You don't need to hold on to any stock. You don't need to do any shipping. There's no customer service involved, no payment gateway. Your job is literally to put someone in front of your link. So I hope that you're getting some value here today. And my question to you is, have you ever tried affiliate marketing? Type a yes or a no in the comments below. I'd love to know. Now, when it comes to promoting products, I would suggest that you test out the product or at least do some research on it before you sell it. Some people, unfortunately, do not come from a place of honesty and integrity, and they just try and find the products with the highest paid commissions and aren't necessarily a good product. This is the fastest way to ruin your reputation if you're going to be doing this, is people won't trust you and therefore they won't buy. So you need to find something that you know will be of benefit and will help other people. Now, you're probably wondering, how much do affiliate programs actually pay you? Now, they all differ. You just need to do some research and find out, how much they pay. For example, ClickBank, if you go onto the website, you'll be able to see what each product pays. Amazon, in my opinion, has one of the best affiliate programs. Recently, their commissions unfortunately dropped. But the reason why I like it so much is because your link that you put out is cookied to you for 24 hours, meaning that if someone clicks on your link and whatever they buy within that time, you'll get paid a commission for the whole sale and not just necessarily that one product that you were promoting. Now, the big question you will be waiting to know is, can affiliate marketing work in South Africa? And the answer is absolutely yes. Now, affiliate marketing is relatively new to South Africa. Not all the big companies and websites have affiliate programs. For example, the big one, Takealot, unfortunately does not have an affiliate program, but does have a good alternative, which is called loot.co.za. And another good one is Raru. Another one is Mentality. I will put links in the description where you can go and check them out. You can also Google the name and see if they have an affiliate program. The huge advantage of having the internet is that you can connect with companies and brands all over the world. You don't need to stick to South African brands. For example, the well-known Amazon, they accept South Africans onto their program, and there are so many more. You just need to, go on Google and find out. I'm affiliated to companies in the US and the UK, and it's really fantastic because you earn foreign currency. So literally by having the internet, you can go and market your business all over the world. You can find products all over the world. Now, I'm going to be honest and upfront with you. Affiliate marketing is not a quick get rich scheme. It takes time and requires some skill of work. You need to learn how to find the best product and then how to promote it correctly in order to succeed with it. And if you do learn to do this effectively, it can be very lucrative. So now I said I would share my best affiliate program. It's called SFM, Six Figure Mentors, and it's, in my opinion, the best affiliate program online. I've seen so many out there and can honestly say that from experience, it is the best, especially if you're new to affiliate marketing and wanting to earn while you're learning about affiliate marketing. Now, I'll put the link in the description below if you're wanting to have a look. There's a free video series that you can get access to and see if it's something that you're interested in. Please know that I'm not here to push you into anything. I'm really just trying to help people, especially during these really difficult times that we are experiencing here in the world. So just to end off, affiliate marketing, in my opinion, is the best and easiest way to start making money online and here in South Africa. And if you've enjoyed this video and if you'd like to get more free training on this, make sure that you subscribe so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. I'll see you in the next one.